Hi, my name's Steve, I'm from Makita UK, and today I'm going to show you the DLM380 twin 18 volt lawnmower. The lawnmower itself runs at 3,700 RPMs with a no load speed. Its cutting width is 380 millimeters. It's a rotary type 2 blade on the bottom. The machine itself has 6 settings which range from 25 to 75 millimeters in depth. Easy to use as well, just push over to the side and lift up, which raises the front wheels. The net weight of the machine is 14.5 kilograms, so nice and light and easy to push around. And it has a nice collection box on the back of the machine here, which is up to 40 litre capacity. Nice and easy to install, so just lift the handle up, take the basket off, and then it just locks on with the locating pins, and the top locks down on the top there. At the top of the handle here, you can see it's nice, easy design. It has a brake on there, emergency brake, which you have to hold in when using the machine, and also pushing the red button to start the machine up and pull the handle down. Fully adjustable to 2 different height settings on the side, and easy to fold down and store. Easy carry handle at the front as well to move the machine around. To put the batteries in the machine, there's a little catch there. Pull the battery forward. 1 battery we've already got in, 2nd battery just slots in next to it, and now we're ready to go. There is an immobiliser key as well, so if you are leaving the lawnmower around and you've got people you don't want to be touching it, using it, just take that with you and the machine won't start, and it just pops in the side there. And that's the DLM380, which is available from Toolstop.